YouTube channel Guna's Infomedia from India. I am Gunan. I am your friend. I am very proud to be your friend. Every human being in this world needs success. Everybody is working their night to fulfill their dreams, but some ones are getting success. Most of the people got failure. In this video, we can discuss what make the people to get success, what makes them failure. The successful person and the unsuccessful person differs from the habits and characters. I believe in one thing, the characters and the habits bring success in the life. Everybody should follow the great habits of the successful person. Here, in this video, I refer some of the habits followed by the successful person. What makes them differ from unsuccessful one? Here we go. First point. The unsuccessful person, they don't have any goals. They simply live their life. They don't have any dreams. They don't have any attitude. They don't have any plans about their life. They simply running their time, wasting their time, and wasting their whole life. The successful person, they have a concrete goal. They live for their goals. They plan for their goals. They dream for their goals. Their goals will get them success. They create a mass successful peoples around them. Second point, the unsuccessful people, they don't know who are they. They don't know what powers they have, what is the ability they are having. They are not having any plans to decide about their future, decide about their goals or their work. But successful people differ in this place. They study them. They know what they are powerful in. If they are very good in something, if they have a skill, 20% or 25%, they develop their goals and skills. They develop their personalities. They develop their skills by studying or developing their skills and achieve anything. If we know ourselves, if you judge ourselves what we are good at, we can achieve anything in life. Successful person always study them to get success. Third point, the unsuccessful person always feel for others' opinion. They always feel negative about what others thinking about them. But successful person never mind other people's words. Never mind anything happens. Never mind what others think about them. They focus only on the thing what they want to achieve. This is the very great habit, because when we think about the other people's opinion, it will give the negative opinion about ourselves in our mind. It will definitely give lot of struggles in our work. So, the successful person always concentrate on their work, focus on their greatness to get success. Next point, the unsuccessful people never mind about their activities, what they are going to do the next day. But successful person always concentrate on the activities they are doing. They are well planned about the things they are going to do and the result of their activities. But the unsuccessful person, they never mind about their activities. They simply do the things. They don't know why they are doing the thing. They simply passing the time and wasting the time and wasting the whole life. But the successful people always die for their dream, die for their work. Last point. Unsuccessful person act like they are obedience, but the successful person won't act. If their activities are imperfect to others, they don't worry about that. They simply work. The person who are imperfect, they are perfect in their life, because they can plan and work their habits differently to get the success. The successful person knows the problem. Nobody is perfect. So they don't try to act like perfect. They are perfect in their activities, what they are doing. So friends, these are some differences between the successful and the unsuccessful person. These habits and the characters differs from each of them. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and make comments. Bye. Thank you.